Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and importing your file so processing runs smoothly. Once done, preview the clip to mark the exact noisy region. This saves time and prevents overprocessing. Make sure to select the proper input format, MP4 or WAV, and choose a sample area if the noise is inconsistent. You'll also set processing quality now, lower for quick tests, higher for final export. These first steps establish a clean baseline, so the app's algorithms learn the right noise profile. Next, choose the reduction preset that matches your content: voice for podcasts, music for tracks, broad for ambient noise, because the algorithm tailors filters accordingly. Then, adjust strength in small increments and use preserve voice to keep natural sibilance. Listen between changes. If you have hum or electrical interference, enable hum removal and set frequency to 50 or 60 Hz. Once settings feel balanced, run a short preview pass and refine. Iterative tweaking prevents artifacts and preserves clarity. To finish, export with your chosen codec and bitrate. Higher bitrates preserve fidelity, so pick accordingly. Once rendered, compare original versus processed with the A/B toggle to confirm improvements. If you spot artifacts, metallic or underwater sounds, reduce strength slightly and rerun, or apply spectral repair only to affected bands. One key troubleshooting tip: if hum or tone persists, notch out the exact frequency using a narrow filter instead of cranking global reduction. That target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.